So hello everyone, today I will talk a little bit about the WebSocket protocols, what is and when I use and why I use. So before jump to the WebSocket what is, let's talk a little bit about the HTTP protocols. So it's popular protocols used on the RESTful API. So the HTTP in a simple way, you send the request from the client to the server. So the client here can be browser or mobile applications interface. So you send the request to the client to the server, sorry, and the server responds to you. So and the connection closed in this status. So for example, I want to go to the profile page. I use Facebook. I want to go to the profile page. So you made a request to get the profile page, and here the response you with display page of your profile. You can see your username, your password, your first name, addresses, your picture, so the data of your profile page. So and this the connection here closed. For example, you want to go to the home page to make a post, you make another request to get the response. So in every things you want from the server, okay, so you make another request. For example, I go to the profile page, I make the request one. I want to go to the home page to post. I want to make another request. For I want to see the notification, I want to make a request. So in each thing you make or you will make, you must to make or send the request to the server, and the server responds to you, and the connection closed in each response. So here come the WebSocket protocols. So the WebSocket protocols let the connection open until you decide to close. So what does it mean? For example, I want to get the data and transfer the data between client and the server open without need another request, and the server don't wait you to get to send him the request. Okay, so for example, when you chat with your friend on Messenger, so you can send, for example, hello, and if your friend is online, can respond to hello, how about you? So in the chat application, you don't need to refresh the page. Okay, so you don't need another request. So in the chat, the connection is open. So the transform of the data between the client and the server is open on the connection. So how the WebSocket protocols work? You send first, and this area a lot of developers don't know, and focus on that. So first you send the HTTP protocol as a request and not as the WebSocket. So first you should to send the HTTP request. After the server, we will upgrade the connection to the WebSocket. When he upgrade the connection, and this area called the handshake, okay, called the handshake, upgrade the connection and the data. So we keep the connection open until we close, and the data transform bidirectional between the client and the server. So as I said, the client don't need the request, and the server don't wait the request from the client. So the data can transform without, for example, in chat page or chat application, you don't need to request to see the message. You don't need refresh to see the message until you close the connection. For example, you logged out from the application, or go to another discussion, or go to another page. So here you close the connection. So, and this is what we use the WebSocket on the real-time application. We want to get the data and see the change without make another request, without send an HTTP request, and without, for example, for the web application, refresh the page. So when we use this protocol, so we use, as I said, on the chat applications, for example, on the notifications, so we don't need to refresh the page to see the notifications. Also in the multiplayer in the game, so this popular WebSocket useful. So and other in domain, but what we focus on the WebSocket in this video about the web chat applications. So this about the WebSocket. I just here share an information, and so that's all. Thank you for watching.